Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing the 21 questions, right?
Yes.
And
wait, do you even have where's the questions?
well, not right now. I won't be doing the questions right now. But right now, you guys, we're moving out our apartment. Everything is a hot mess. But yeah, this is it for now. We literally still like cleaning and just like we threw away like most of the stuff and sold some of the stuff on Facebook Market. But yeah, in today's video, it's about moving and the 21 questions. And please make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below, share with everyone that you know, and tell them to share with everyone that they know. But yeah, let's get moving. Dang, it's a hot mess in here. Oh no, not the bedroom. Hi.
Hello.
You ready?
I'm ready for what?
To move.
Oh yeah, we're moving, guys. We're ready now.
Alright, let's go.
Question number 1. How did you lose weight and what motivated you to lose weight?
Honestly, like working out and eating healthy, consistency is the key, right?
I wouldn't know. I didn't lose too much weight.
Where's the light? Right here?
She found the light.
Alright guys, we're moving into my brother's-in-law's house. It's very beautiful as you guys can see. But we'll be living downstairs. Come on. Are you excited?
What, about living here?
Yeah.
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 Sure.
It's nice. But we're gonna be living here, staying down here. I mean, obviously we will be going upstairs, right?
Yeah, we got our own bar. You know what time it is?
Hey, leak time. Alright. This is gonna be Alika's room. So we're gonna be putting all the diapers in here and such. Alright, another question?
Yes. How is life and how is marriage?
Life is great, as you guys can see. Like I'm learning as I go. Marriage is fine. I'm happy. Hey guys, so this is where we will be staying. It's pretty nice. We have like a bar thing and then like a fridge, a mini fridge, and then there is a bedroom in there. It's a bathroom. This is a little bedroom for Alika. Finally, she gets her own bedroom for now. And this is the before we move in, or we move all our stuff in. But yeah.
Question number 3. All right, so what's your biggest accomplishment in life?
Well, my biggest accomplishment so far is graduating college and weight loss, of course, and having my daughter. Is that accomplishment? Because everybody have kids.
Yeah. Oh man, yeah, that's a good answer. All right.
What would you say?
This is your YouTube.
You know me though.
This is your YouTube.
Hi guys, so we took a break from moving and now we're just taking a little trip, a little road trip to Kansas City to get a computer.
Yeah.
His computer. So it's gonna be a long drive.
Yeah.
Say Say something else.
Oh man, whatever to say.
Anything.
Anything.
Anything would do. Not like that. Oh my gosh. Something. What about that? Something. Say something.
Something.
Bruh.
Not like that. Oh my gosh. I wonder if the noise is too loud. Like the driving noise is too loud. I wonder if they can actually hear us because I feel like it's too loud.
No, I think it's fine. Just keep recording. Whatever happens on the road, just act like the camera's not there. Act like the camera's not there.
That's how YouTubers be like though. They be acting like, oh, the camera is not even there, and then they just like talk normal.
How low can you go? How low can you go? Low, low.
Bruh.
Low, low.
No music coming.
Low, low. My mixtape is coming out. AP, the plug. That's my name, my rapper name.
Why are you such a lie?
Check me out on YouTube, Instagram.
Tell them your other account, your Instagram account. I mean, your YouTube account.
Oh, the comedy one. I used to be a comedian. Y'all follow me on YouTube. Check out my videos.
What's the name?
Just AP.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it's hard to find.
Because there's so many APs.
Yeah. But we're gonna put the link down below. Y'all just watch, like, follow, subscribe, whatever, all the terms to be associated with my channel, because
They're pretty funny. I think they're pretty funny, but
man, she never says that off camera.
I tell you they're funny.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You're a hater. She's my number one hater, bro.
He's my number.
You're my number one hater.
Tell me why I posted a workout video on Instagram. He went and commented. He said, "Why is it so fast, bro?" Everybody else was like, "Oh, you doing a great job."
you put the video on like 1.5 like speed, man. And that thing was going.
Bro, you better drive, please. But I posted a video. Everybody else was like, "Oh my gosh, Steven, you're doing a good job." Are you serious?
It's hot. I'm sweating. On the low. Yeah, that video was too much, man.
Bro, how? He's my number one hater. Like literally, like he will comment down and just anything. I'm like, if you don't got something nice to say, just don't comment at all. Just don't say nothing. Yeah.
But you gotta have haters in order to progress. In order to go.
But you shouldn't be my hater though.
I gotta be your motivator. I'm your hater and I'm your motivator.
Oh my.
I gotta motivate you that way,
Man.
Yeah.
That's not motivating, bro.
Yeah. Man.
Is that how you want to be motivated?
No, I don't like being motivated that way.
Okay, how don't you like being motivated that way, but you try to motivate me that way?
Because that's the only way I can.
What if I say I don't like it?
Well, tough.
Man. You see what I have to deal with every single day. This is literally what I. Man. Alright, I don't know if they can hear me. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but.
Man, this is so embarrassing. We're trying to eat in a restaurant.
But we got the computer. We're like in Kansas City right now. We're eating. I got me some salad. He got soup. We're still waiting for like the real food. So, how is the soup?
It's good.
He don't like this at the moment. He think it's embarrassing.
Women.
The water is good.
Are you serious? Man, you're embarrassing.
How am I embarrassing? Like, they can't even see the phone, really. Alright, guys, the food is here. That looks so good, doesn't it? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let me try. Let's see. Pretty good.
What?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright guys, so we're going back to Des Moines. It was a nice little trip. We didn't do anything but eat food. How was the food?
The food was good. It was on point.
It was no comment. That's all I'm gonna say. No comment.
Man.
It was not bad. It's just not my type of food, I guess. Yeah, but he liked it. So
You're the one who wanted to eat that food.
yeah, because the last time I went to a Mediterranean restaurant, it was good. It was like a whole bunch of meat and like that sauce that we got. But now it just didn't taste the same. Now we have to go back to moving. Fun things. Oh yeah, I should do I should answer some of the questions. I don't have my notebook with me where I write them at, but I still remember some of it, so I'm just gonna answer the ones that I remember. I remember somebody asked like, how was your postpartum and how did you deal with like getting your confidence back and stuff like that. Well, mine was actually not that bad. I feel like people have like they have different experiences after giving birth. But mine was not that bad. I don't think.
How would I know?
You live with me. Was I bad?
Oh, no comment. Man.
I mean, I know I struggled with like just staying home with the baby and stuff like that, but like I feel like in a way that I got over in a way that I overcame that, I went to the gym and like joined a dancing team and like literally just went out for walks. That's how I kind of just like got out of like the mood of, I don't know, I wouldn't say depressed, but like just getting stressed, like staying at home and just watching the baby all the time before I go back to work. Yeah, so I just kind of like kept myself busy, like joining other things, going for a walk, I don't know, yeah, other things. And how did I get my confidence back? Honestly, just like keeping myself busy. Like I feel like once you focus on other things other than like one thing, like, oh, I just finished giving birth, I should be looking this way, or I should like, you know, like just get out that zone and just do other things. Yeah. Another question, somebody said that they want to meet my parents. So unfortunately, you guys, my parents live like 10 hours away from me, and
we're going next weekend.
my parents live like 10 hours away from me, so I'm not sure if that's gonna be possible. If I can make it happen, yeah, sure. Alright, there was another one I remember. It was like, can you do cooking recipes and some workout videos? Honestly, working out videos is something that I want to do in the future, like within like the whole YouTube thing. With cooking,
that's not happening.
yeah, that's definitely not happening. I would not, I don't know, maybe in the future, who knows. Let me see, there was another one. Oh, somebody said they actually wanted to see you in one of my videos. There you go. Alright, I don't have any other questions. Like, I have to look at my notebook and stuff like that. Like, where I wrote the questions down. I don't know how many questions I just answered. But I think, like, I answered like 5 of them.
No. You guys are 3.
Alright guys, so we moved our stuff out. As you guys can see, finally moving is such a whole entire full-time job because we took like literally a week, not a week, at least 2 to 3 days off to just move everything and clean up. But yeah, you guys, the apartment is clean. Hi guys, it is a week later since we moved in. We honestly like haven't changed anything. I'll show you guys, like literally everything is still the same, just due to like being tired and like getting things and stuff like that. So we'll be settling and just sitting here like this for now. If anything changes, I will upgrade you guys. Yep. So let me show you guys around. It's honestly like the same, nothing really changed, but sure, why not? As you guys can see, nothing has really changed. Say hi, Alika. Say hi. Nothing has really changed. It's still the same, but we literally like moved everything in. We haven't had time to do anything. If anything changes, I will upgrade you guys, I guess, but this is it. Alright guys, we're coming to an end of this video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below. Make sure you share with everyone that you know and tell them to share with everyone that they know. Please ignore Alika in the background. Please ignore Alika in the background. But yeah, this is.
You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. Your love ain't it totally